Alright, so my name is Ghulam Abbass, and in this video we will talk about these tech stacks. And you might be wondering, what are these tech stacks such as full stack, MERN stack, MERN, MEVN, LAMP and LAMP stack. So I will try to explain these to you as simple as possible. So first we have the full stack developer. A full stack developer is a guy who can manage overall projects such as browser side, server side and the database side. So on browser they must know how to code in HTML, CSS, JavaScript or any other framework of JavaScript such as VueJS and React.js or AngularJS or any other framework. On the server side they uses PHP or ASP and then Python or the Node.js. On the database side, they uses SQL, MySQL, SQLite, or MongoDB. So a full stack developer is a guy who can manage or build overall project. Next, we have the MERN Stack developer. As the name shows that M for MongoDB, E for Express, A for Angular, and for Node.js. So the MongoDB is the database they use to store some data. Express.js is the framework for the backend development. Angular is for front end. Node.js is the runtime environment for the project. Next, we have MERN Stack developer. It is same as MERN Stack developer. The only change here is that they uses the React instead of Angular. Next, we have the MEVN Stack developer. It is same as MERN and MERN Stack developer, but they use VueJS instead of React or Angular. And now we have this LEMP Stack developer. A LEMP Stack developer must know the commands of Linux, and they uses Apache server, MySQL database, and PHP for the server-side programming language. Then we have a LAMP stack developer. It is same as LAMP, but the only change here is that they use Nginx instead of Apache. So Nginx is more popular and more powerful than Apache because Nginx provides the reverse proxy as well. All right, so this is a bonus for you, Django Stack developer. So Django Stack developer must know how to write in JavaScript, Python, Django of course, and MySQL database. And the last thing we have here is that a Ruby on Rails stack developer. So Ruby on Rails stack developer knows how to write in JavaScript, Ruby, SQLite database, and Rails. So I hope you liked my video. If you learned anything new in this video, please give this video a like and subscribe my channel for more interesting and great videos. Thank you.